Good morning, students. We will continue with the exercise, the same exercise 18.4. On that day, I had done till question number 5. So question number 6 is very easy, and I hope and believe that you can do it. And I also believe that most of you have learned the formula. Now, question number 7. A cuboidal fish tank has a length of 30 centimeter, breadth 20 centimeter and a height of 20 centimeter. The tank is placed on a horizontal table and it is 3/4 full of water. Find the area of the tank which is in contact with water. Okay, so we have a fish tank which is kept over now the length is given 30 centimeter, breadth is given 20 centimeter and the whole height of this is given 20 centimeter. But they are saying the tank is 3/4 full. Now 3/4 means 1/4 to 3/4 full. That means the water is filled up to this height. Say this is a small height h. Now this h will be 3/4 of 20 centimeter or 15 centimeter. Now they are asking find the area which is in contact with water. Now the area contact with water is the area of the four walls of this cuboid plus area of base. Area of four walls till water height, till the height of the water, plus area of base. Area of four walls, that is 2 times length plus breadth, and we'll take small h as the height because they are asking the area which is in contact with water. This capital H is the whole height of the aquarium, but water is only 3/4 of it. So this is h. Now area of the base will be taken full length into breadth. Substituting the values, 2 times 30 plus 20 into h is 15. 30 into 20, 2 into 15, 30, 30 plus 20, that is 50, plus 600. 1500 plus 600, that is 2100 centimeter square. This is the area which is in contact with water. Now question number 8. The volume of a cuboid is 448 centimeter cube. Its height is 7 centimeter and the base is square. Base is square, that means its length and breadth both are same. Find a side of the square base and the surface area of cuboid. Okay, this is given to us. The volume of cuboid is 448 centimeter cube. Its height is given 7 centimeter and base is a square. Base is square, that means length and breadth are equal. Let it be equal to x. Now, since the volume is given, we are going to use the formula for the same. The volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So 448 x into 7. So 448 upon 7, x into x will be x square. 7 6 is 42. 7 4 is 28. Or x square is equal to 64. Taking square root both sides. So x is equal to under root 64. Again, I have neglected the negative value, as we know that the side of the cuboid cannot be negative. So x is equal to 8 centimeter. So length and breadth of this cuboid is 8 centimeter, or the side of the square base is 8 centimeter. Second, we need to find out the surface area, or the total surface area. Total surface area is 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. On substituting the values, length is 8, breadth is also 8, 8 into 7 plus 7 into 8. Okay, this is 64, 56, 56. So 56 plus 56 plus 64, 16. So that's 776. So 2 into 176, 12, 14, 115, 352 centimeter square. Surface area is 352 centimeter square. Now question number 9. Mark it as an important question. Question number 9 is quite important. Okay. The length, breadth and height of a rectangular solid are in the ratio of 5:4:2. If its total surface area is 1216 centimeter cube, find the volume of solid. Okay, there is a correction. Its total surface area is 1216 centimeter square. In a book, it is written centimeter cube. To make a correction, it is centimeter square. And then we need to find the volume of the solid. So it is given to us that the ratio of length, breadth and height of a cuboid is given 5:4:2. Okay, whenever we convert a ratio into real number, we multiply with some variable. Let length is equal to 5x, breadth के 4 parts है, so breadth is equal to 4x, height has 2 parts, so height is equal to 2x. Now the total surface area is given 1216 centimeter square. It's a surface area. Area की जो unit होती है बेटा centimeter square होती है. तो you all have to do the correction, and I hope that you people have done the correction. So whatsoever the given in a question, we are going to use the formula for the same. So total surface area is given. We all know that the total surface area for cuboid is 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, which is equal to 1216 centimeter square. I will transpose this 2 to the other side because I know that 1216 is an even number. It can be easily divisible by 2. On substituting over here, 5x into 4x plus 4x into 2x plus 2x into 5x is equal to 1216 upon 2. Now 5 into 4, that is 20, x into x, x square. 4 into 2, that is 8. X into x, x square. 2 into 5, that is 10. X into x, x square. And this will be 608. 608 centimeter square. Now these are the like terms, as their little coefficients are same, so we can add them easily. 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 8, 38. X square is equal to 608, or x square is equal to 608 upon 38, 219. 304. Okay, I will divide 304 by 19. Okay, 6 times. Okay, so x square comes out to be 16. Taking square root on both the sides, so x is equal to under root 16. Again, I am ignoring the negative sign, as the sides or the dimensions of a cuboid cannot be negative. So x is equal to 4. So therefore, length is equal to 5 into 4, that is 20 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 4 into 4, that is 16 centimeter. And height is equal to 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. Now since we need to find out the volume of cuboid, the volume of cuboid will be length into breadth into height. So length is 20, breadth is 16, height is 8. So 20 into 128, 16, 5, 2, 0. 2560 centimeter cube. The volume of the cuboid is 2560 centimeter cube. Question number 11. A cuboidal block of metal has dimensions 36 centimeter by 32 centimeter by 0.25 meter. It is melted and recast into cubes with an edge of 4 centimeter. How many such cubes can be made? And what is the cost of silver coating the surfaces of the cubes at the rate of rupees 0.75 per square centimeter? Okay, we have a cuboidal block whose length is given 36 centimeter, breadth is given 32 centimeter, height is given 0.25 meter, so we will convert it into centimeter. We all know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So multiplying by 0.25 by 100, we will get 25 centimeters. So that all the dimension must be in the same unit. Now, this cuboid is melted and formed into cubes. Say n cubes. We don't know about how many cubes are formed. But the side of the cube is given 4 centimeter. Now the first part is, how many such cubes can be made? So the amount of matter which is contained in this cuboid is only used to make the cube. So the volume of this cube, how many times the volume of this cube will come into the volume of the bigger cuboid will give you the number of cubes that can be formed. So number of cubes, that is equal to volume of cuboid divided by volume of one cube. Now since we know that volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, and the volume of cube is A into A into A, that is side into side into side. So on substituting the values, 36 into 32 into 25, and A is 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, 4 9 to 36, 4 8 to 32, 4 2 to 8. Okay, 9 into 50. 450 cubes can be formed. So this is the first part. Now the second part, they are asking the cost of silver coating on the surfaces of the cubes at a rate of rupees 0.75 per square centimeter. The rate of silver coating is rupees 0.75 per centimeter square. For 1 centimeter square he is charging or she is charging rupees 0.75. So silver coating is done on the cubes and we have 450 cubes. The first what we will do, we will find out the surface area to be silver coated. Now surface area to be silver coated, that is total surface area of cube, and since we have 450 cubes, so we will multiply by 450. So 450 6 side square. Side square, that is 4 square. So it's 43,200 centimeter square is the required surface to be silver coated. So cost of silver coating, the rate of silver coating is 0.75 and we need to coat 43,200 centimeter square. So 43,200 into 0.75. We will remove this point 100. Now 432 multiplied by 75. That is rupees 32,400. Now, okay students, these questions which I have done it on the board, you people have to note it down in your fair copy and you have to submit it to your respective teachers by tomorrow evening at 6 p.m. by 6 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, have a nice day.